How to create business visiting card design in Canva. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on your Canva. Now head over to the search bar on Canva, and then you're going to be typing business card. Now we're doing this just to get the accurate measurements, and as you can see, there are a whole lot of templates you can go with, but we're going to be creating a new design. And the first thing I'll be doing today is for my page to have a color, something related to my brand color or the color I would like to have on my business visiting card. Now the next thing I'll do is to head to my elements, go over to the search bar and type in circle. And when I found a circle that I wanted, I just imported it into my page. And then I'll be changing the circle's color into something for my business. Now the circle is supposed to cover more than half of my page. Now that is the personal design I thought about. But don't forget that the design is based on what you want. You can do whatever you want to your own business card. I'm just making mine. So this is it. I was trying to increase the size of the circle so it covers almost half of my page. And at this point, we are done with the base of this card. And I went back again into Canva and I typed in lion. That is because for this business, the logo is a lion's head. So I imported one and went ahead to change the color of the lion because I did not want black in my own business card. I wanted white and blue, and that was exactly what I did. And when we're done with that, the next thing to do is to write up my business name. So I went to text and then I imported a heading. I went ahead to type in my business name, then made some adjustments on the text, like changing the font type because I didn't like what it came with. And also guys, I felt like the font size was too big, so this is me trying to reduce the font size into a size more befitting for this card. Now let's go ahead and change the color of our text. Like I told you before, we didn't want black, so I'm still going to go in with the same off-white color. And as you can see, the front page of my business card is ready. And the next thing to do guys would be adding a brand new page. And on the brand new page, the first thing you want to do is to head over to your elements, and when you get there, go over to the search bar and search for circle. We just want to create a base just like we did for the first one. Now we're going to import our circle and then adjust it. Remember, we need to adjust it to half size of the page, but before that I changed the color. And this is me just increasing the size of the circle just so it suits my page. I'm going to go back to text and add a heading. For this particular heading, I'm going to be typing in the name of the person who owns this card. I went ahead to change the font type of this text. I didn't like the font that it came with. I also reduced the font size because the first size was too big. Then I added a subheading, and for this subheading, I'm going to be typing in the position the owner of the card has in the company. Now in a business card, you need to have your phone number, you need to have your website if you have any, you need to have your email address and your location. So I'm trying to get logos for this, something that says phone number without writing phone number. And you can do that by heading over to elements and just typing on the search bar calls, and you would notice that a lot of symbols about calling comes out. And I just picked one, then I changed the color. I wanted it to take up the theme of this card, so I changed it to blue, and that was it. So I'm going to repeat this process for the email address, for the website and the location. And the next thing we want to do is to head over to text. Now on getting to text, you're going to be adding a subheading, and with this what you need to do is just to type in your phone number, your email address. You're going to do that for your website URL. You're going to write down your location. That is all you'll be doing while adding this subheading. And after typing each one, you want to place it in the right position where it belongs. And this is what our business visiting card should be looking like. And guys, if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.